Why do 70% of Earth's surface dwellers consider the Pacific Ocean the king of all waters? That's right, the Pacific is the largest and deepest ocean on our planet. Picture this, it spans over 63 million square miles. If you could plop the moon into the Pacific, you'd need 4 of them to fill it up. But wait, there's more. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of any ocean, lies in the Pacific. It's so deep you could stack 24 Empire State Buildings inside it and still not reach the surface. And let's not forget the Pacific's incredible marine life, from tiny plankton to the massive blue whale. It's like an underwater universe right here on Earth. So, next time you think about big things in the universe, remember, the Pacific Ocean is a giant in its own right. Stay curious, ocean lovers.